Hello Electroheads, today we are getting seriously floaty. Behind me is my mate Max. Max is very handy on the one wheel. Hey! Luke is also very handy on the one wheel. Also behind me is my best mate Jamie. Jamie is, how do I put this? He's very brave. He doesn't have a lot of self-preservation. He's a lunatic. Now today, Max and Luke are going to teach us a few tricks and skills that every one-wheeler needs to know. They're going to teach us how to do them, and then we, by which I mean Jamie, is going to try and land them. Let's get on with it. Maxie, first trick of the day, nice easy one. What should we start with?
Let's try some quick stops.
Come on then.
So what you want to do with the quick stop, you want to think about how the board works. So you've got the two sensors that run vertically next to each other in parallel. You want to move your front foot around, so you're still going to have pressure on both the sensors. And when you're ready, you want it to stop, you want to push your foot forward so it's sitting over this ledge. As you do this, your board's going to hit the ground and it's just going to slide along.
I think we'll take that. Success. Next trick, Kerb Nudges. They look like this. Young Luke has one of the cleanest Kerb Nudges in the game. He's the best man to teach this trick in the world.
I'd recommend starting using Mission because it will allow you to lift your nose higher without braking too aggressively. So this is what you want to do. Start to ride in, brake to lift your nose. Second your nose hits, all your weight on your front, which will then lift the back of the board and you'll come up and you've climbed your first curb.
I think we're going to leave Kerb Nudges there.
I'm happy to say I failed that one.
So how to 180 flat spin? The way I do it is I turn my shoulders first and let my legs follow. Same the other way, turn your shoulders and let your legs follow.
There's going to be nothing left of him by the end. Right, my sons, let me learn you a thing. This is how you ride a one wheel sitting down. Hands on. Oh! First, sit on your fender. Why am I teaching? And then use your hands to activate the device. See you later. Oh! Ah! Ah! Next trick.
The idea is, as you're getting close, or you will just about to go over, you want to just shift your hips forward, and that's just going to shoot the board forward a little bit and help you clip the tail. The problem is, you clip that tail, I'm coming with the edge, clip the tail, go down, nose dive, city. Woo!
That's the key.
And the woo's the important bit.
That's how you drop. Ready for some drops? How are your ankles? You know, still attached.
They're there.
Good.
It's so hot. Sun cream.
Getting some sun cream on your burns there.
Oh, look.
So.
Ah!
So how to ghost ride? Think of it like this. You're riding along, then jump with both feet off while the board will keep going, then jump back on and re-engage the board. Now let's show you some examples. Find a curb that's high enough, buy some wax from your local skate shop, and then to do a slide, what you don't want to do is swoop in and then you're going to bounce straight back off. What you want to do is come in parallel, do a very quick 180 switch to get all your weight on your front foot, to pretend your back foot isn't even there. You can slide along, then to get out you can either whip the front back, or it may be easier when you're learning just to come out in reverse.
And there you have it, a video. Not sure if I'm going to call this one tricks tutorial or man falls over a lot, but I hope you enjoyed it, whatever it was. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. We'll see you soon.